Welcome back to A Preliminary Cowslips Year. This is CLE Language Arts 600, Book 7. Your view from the back of my classroom. Okay, 6th grade lesson 4, comma, splices. We'll do some review first of all. This sentence on the board, is it normal word order or inverted word order? Standard or inverted?
Inverted.
Inverted. What is the verb?
Was.
Was. What is the subject?
Book.
Book. Good. Subject's coming after the verb. It's inverted word order. What are the plural indefinite pronouns? Plural indefinite pronouns. Both, few, several, many. Lovely. What are the indefinite pronouns that can be singular or plural?
Some.
Find them. Any.
Most, some, and
All.
all.
Good, we got them all. Learn just like you did. Both, few, several, many. Learn them in an order to where it would be easy to do. Both, few, some, many, none, almost. Some, many, none, almost. Some, many, none, almost. Some, many, none, almost. How fast can you say that? Very quickly. Some, many, none, almost. Both, few, several, many. Some, many, none, almost. Repeat them and repeat them until they're right there. Because you need to know what verbs to use, especially on your test, and I'm sure they'll try to trick you sometimes. I hope they do anyway. Okay, comma, splices. When we join two sentences together and we have a compound sentence, the tempting thing is to do like we did here. The Arctic has a harsh climate, comma, only hardy animals can live there. And notice we have two sentences actually. Here's the verb, Arctic has, and here's another one, animals can live. We kind of have these two sentences, so we have a compound sentence, and all we did is just threw a comma in there and kept on going. That's incorrect. This can be corrected in 3 different ways. What's one way we can correct it?
Just make 2 different sentences.
Make 2 different sentences. Put a period and a capital O. Okay? Or make a semicolon. Or what else? A comma and a conjunction. Let's see what conjunction would fit. And remember the conjunctions, maybe fanboys you have to know for that, but and, but, or, for, yet, and so, those conjunctions.
Arctic has a harsh climate and so only.
Good, comma, so, I really like that. The Arctic has a harsh climate, comma, so only hardy animals can live there. This one, let's use a comma and a conjunction. Let's walk on this trail.
Because.
That will work. I like one of the fanboys. But there's one that we don't use very much, and I'm thinking
For.
I think we need to use for more often in our writing. I know I do in my writing. Let's, and this needs apostrophe, let's walk on this trail, for it's better shaded than the other one. That would work lovely. Stick in for. But you can also put a semicolon, or you can make a period in a capital letter. As a general rule, if you want to be a good writer, don't just put periods in capital letters. Good writers write longer sentences, and because they're able to manipulate your emotions better, they're able to give you a better feeling by having longer sentences. Don't just write sentences just to make them long, but often longer sentences are going to be better. So put a comma and a conjunction or a semicolon. If you need to, especially if the thoughts are unrelated, then make 2 sentences. I would say these 2 thoughts are very much related. This is the reason why we're doing this. So it makes a lot of sense to keep it as 1 sentence. Okay, carry on with you.